What's up? Welcome to Tech Select. My name is Linus. Now in today's video we are looking at Restream. What on earth is Restream and is it even worth it? So we're looking into Restream.io. Restream.io is an online platform that allows you to do streaming. So in this video, like I said earlier, we're just looking through one, how can it play into your day-to-day life. But before we get into all of that, I just want to show you something here. Now, many of you enjoy watching my videos, but some of you have not yet subscribed to this channel. Now, one, subscription is free. Go right there, hit the subscription button, that nice red button, and the notification bell as well, so that you are alerted each time a new video drops. It helps you get alerted that I have new content, and it helps me by giving me feedback that you actually like my content, and also gives me the energy to keep on pushing more videos. Now, let's get into the main nitty-gritty. Restream.io. For those that don't know what Restream is, Restream.io is one of those streaming sites where everything happens online on your web browser. It does have its own studio mode, it has all kinds of filters and all these things, and everything happens in your browser. So if you're streaming, you can do it from wherever you are from your browser. You don't have to download any applications, you don't have to go through crazy setup. So let's start with why I personally love Restream. Restream allows me to stream a video file, so I can have a pre-recorded video where I have done all my recording and all that, all the nice editing, and then stream it as if I were live. So why I would do that is, power sometimes in Africa is not that stable, or sometimes I don't have a very good internet connection, so it's good to have my things flowing smoothly without any issues. Now, in case I wanted to stream a video file, step one, since I'm a free user, you can see here my maximum cap is 500 MB and 20 minutes long. So I have to make sure when I'm organizing this, I have to have that in my mind, that I should not exceed 500 MB and it's got to be shorter than 20 minutes long. Now, the other thing also is, because this is a free account, it will be giving me the Restream logo branding right there. So step one, let's try to stream up a video here. Let's just get my intro. This is my Tech Select intro. We're just going to upload it there, and then we see what that does look like. So that is uploading over there. Now see, that is uploading. So we'll give this here a intro and a title. We would call this Tech Select intro. Right there, you'd give it a description, and then here now is where I would give it the scheduling. So scheduling here will allow me to set what time and where exactly I would like it to to get shown up. So in this case here, the earliest I can put about 6 p.m. and then there, so make an announcement post. If you wanted to announce to everybody that so and so is going live at this particular time, then that's what we'll do. It also gives you the option to upload a thumbnail so that your video just looks beautiful. So we go next. Now, next here is the different places you can stream to. Now this brings us to part number 2, why I love Restream.io. Restream.io allows you to stream to so many platforms at the same time, simultaneously. So I can go live on Facebook, Twitch, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, all these other platforms here. I can go live on all of them at the same time. Now that is a very, very beautiful feature as to why this is just an amazing platform. So in this case here, if we were going to go live, we've given this here our title, thumbnail, and all of that, everything is looking good, and then we decide that we're going to stream it to YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch at the same time. We'll just go ahead and create event. Now once we're done creating the event, as you can see that now it would be ready and put up in the server list. Now as you can see, this here is our server list, and the list of all events would be showing here. So if we clicked on here and said show all events, it would definitely show up, giving you all the events that you have scheduled, showing them to you, what time you'll put them, where they're going to be going, and all of these things. So it even shows you the past events that you will have tried doing earlier. Now this here is just an amazing, beautiful feature, and the only issue with it is, being a free account, it will have the Restream logo on it, which I think I have no problem with, based on the fact that it does an awesome job giving you good quality and yet just putting its logo over there. So one of the big reasons as why Restream.io is my #1 pick for streaming software online. Now here, the other bit here is Restream allows you to connect other streaming software. So if you're going live, say if I were in OBS, now for instance here in OBS, I would go to stream and then go over here to Restream.io
and then just say use stream key. Now I'd press the stream key here and connect, and everything would be good. So this here is where that stream would come. It would pick it up from wherever it is, push it here, and then drop it to all the channels that I would have selected on this side over here, which is just amazing. Like our sponsor for this video,
Oduka.com is your #1 electronics store. It's based here in Kampala, Uganda, and it's the one place where you can find all your electronic accessories. If you're a creator like me, there's an entire section that is created just for you. If you're looking for a tab for your kid, looking for memory cards, and a lot more things, you can find all this on www.oduka.com. Go right now, use the promo code TechSelect when you're checking out so that you can get amazing discounts on your purchase.
Now if you don't have OBS, let's say maybe you are on your phone or you just on a new laptop but you still want to go live, can just use Start With Studio. Now Start With Studio basically gives you a full live streaming studio at your fingertips on your web browser. Not installing any applications, nothing crazy to do in the background, and no tweaking of settings. Just click on it and you're good to go. Now this here is what our studio would look like. Now on here, of course, see, you can invite guests over here. Now you can invite up to 6 guests on the free account, which is just amazing. You don't need any, why would you need more than 6 people talking with you on the same stream yet you're on a free account? So all you can see here, all you have to do now is you copy this link here. Now whoever you send this link to, for as long as they click on it, they get redirected through their browser to your live stream, and then they would appear here, and you choose how you want them to appear on the main screen. Now here, as you can see, this is the main screen, and you can do different split, all different configurations. Split screen, this is for 3 people. You have one now, 6 people all the way or to the side, and all that happening at the same time. So this here is a good way for to have things organized. Of course, you have options for chat, captions, and graphics and overlays. Now the beauty about this here is it just gives you a lot of things where you can do all kinds of things. Now here you can see the Restream logo is up here, and it cannot be changed because we are on a free account, so it will have this Restream up here. But of course I am not perturbed by that as of right now. So we have overlays and all of that. Of course, now for all these here, we would have to upgrade our account in order to get overlays, add video clips and all that stuff to our live stream. But all this here would be happening on our browser. So if we're doing a basic, really basic thing right here, so we would go over here, it would detect our camera. We don't have a camera running right now. It would detect our camera, then we'll add a destination wherever I want to send our video to, and then simply click go live. Simple as that, nothing complicated, no background settings, no fiddling. It would be just as easy as that.
Right, so there you have it, Restream.io. To me, it's worth it. Really awesome platform for those that are doing streaming. I like the fact that I'm able to multi-stream using just one location, and everything can happen within the browser. It's just an awesome tool to have. So to me, Restream.io is one of those very powerful websites, and the fact that their free version allows you to do quite a lot is just awesome. So if you like this kind of content and a lot more techie stuff right here, DIY and a lot more, I will say this again, go right there, hit the subscription button, notification bell, so that you are alerted each time a new video does drop on this here channel. But for today, let's call it a wrap, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye bye.